Why this heritage breed thing becomes interesting, because these heritage breeds were very regionally specific. They were selectively bred by a population of people that lived in a specific geography. Now this is one of the things to remember, is that not too far back in time, human beings were geographically limited. And that geographic limitation caused for a great deal of innovation about how do we produce more of what we need within this fixed geography, because it didn't have any other choice. We weren't doing a lot of like across the globe air transit. You know, this is a relatively recent thing, that the globe is just all interconnected now. So we go back to these heritage breeds, and these heirloom breeds are varieties that were specifically bred by a specific population in a specific place to be specifically suited to that climate and that set of variables. So then what we do is we look at, so where we are, is this similar to where that animal lived? Is this similar to where that plant lived? Then if it is in some way similar, or could I create a microclimate where I am that's similar to where that animal came from, or to where that plant comes from? So the idea is that we're creating a garden that's designed to be well suited to where we are. And we're going to pick breeds and varieties that we can tell from our homework are well suited or can be made comfortable in the circumstances that we have on our particular site. So we're looking at then, how do we make our site as habitable, as comfortable, as self-maintaining as possible? And that's why this idea of the farm, the garden, as a co-evolving, self-regulating organism. So the farm or the garden is, in effect, its own sort of microcosm, where as much as possible what we use on the farm comes from the farm. And this is where permaculture is very akin to biodynamics.